Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to convert TikTok account to business account. So launch your TikTok application and tap on profile to the bottom right corner and tap on this three line icon to the right hand corner, settings and privacy, manage account, tap on switch to business account, tap on next and select a category, next, and you can edit your business profile by tapping here, but I'm gonna skipping this part. And if I tap on this three line icon here, and here you can see I've successfully converted my account to a business account. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.